Meg Digital AI news you can use. How to use Cheetah Buster AI for free. We have a step-by-step guide at the end of this video. Hello AI enthusiast, welcome back to Meg Digital AI. Want to join the journey? Just flash your thumb with a like and buckle up by subscribing. In a world where relationships are often tested by the lure of online connections, Cheetah Buster emerges as a powerful ally for those grappling with suspicions about their partner's fidelity. Established in 2016, this artificial intelligence-driven platform aims to expose clandestine activities on the popular dating app Tinder. With a user base exceeding 50 million globally, Tinder has inadvertently become a breeding ground for infidelity. Cheetah Buster AI utilizes cutting-edge AI to sift through Tinder profiles, offering a revelation to those with doubts about their significant other's loyalty. How does Cheetah Buster AI work? The algorithm magic. Cheetah Buster AI operates as a website where users input a person's name, location, and even a photo to search for their Tinder profile. The tool employs a sophisticated algorithm that sifts through Tinder's vast data, delivering results that include the person's bio, photos, and the last time they were active on the app. To embark on your digital detective journey, you need to create an account on Cheetah Buster AI's website. Once registered, input the required details: first name, last name, gender, and the likely Tinder location of the person you're investigating. For a more comprehensive search, uploading a photo is an option. Of course, this investigative service comes at a cost, with fees varying based on the number of searches you wish to perform. Can you use Cheetah Buster AI for free? Yes, you can use Cheetah Buster AI for free. However, the free version has some limitations. For example, you can only search for information about one person at a time, and you will not be able to see all of the results that Cheetah Buster AI finds. If you want to access all of the features of Cheetah Buster AI, you will need to purchase a subscription. How to use Cheetah Buster AI for free. A quick overview. If you're ready to commence your investigative journey, follow these simple steps. Visit the official Cheetah Buster site. Click the login button. Indicate whether you're a new user or an existing one. Complete the registration or login process by following the provided instructions. Voila, you're in. Using Cheetah Buster AI, unraveling potential infidelity is a structured process. Enter the person's first name and gender. Select their likely Tinder location. Optionally, upload photos for a more accurate search. Click See Search Results to unveil the matching profiles. Step-by-step guide with a paid subscription. 1. Visit the Cheetah Buster website. Navigate to www.cheetahbuster.com, click on Get Started, and set up your account. 2. Provide the cheating partner's information. Enter your partner's first and last name, gender, and the likely city-state where they maintain a Tinder profile. 3. Upload photos of your partner. For optimal results, upload a minimum of 3 to 5 clear photos of your partner, enhancing facial recognition accuracy. 4. Enter payment information. Select a subscription plan and input your payment details to activate your account. 5. Initiate the Tinder profile search. After payment processing, Cheetah Buster commences its search for matching Tinder profiles using the provided details. 6. View detailed results. Within 24 to 48 hours, an email containing comprehensive results, including matching profiles, photos, and activity, will be delivered. If Cheetah Buster confirms your partner's active presence on Tinder, suspicions of infidelity may be validated. Accuracy, the claims and caveats. Cheetah Buster AI boasts an impressive accuracy rate of 97% to 99% in uncovering Tinder profiles. Users have lauded the app for swift exposure of cheating partners. The developers, ambitious as ever, aim to reach 100% accuracy with advanced technology and algorithms. However, caution is advised. The tool is Tinder exclusive and may not catch all cheaters. Limitations of Cheetah Buster AI. While Cheetah Buster boasts an impressive accuracy rate, it is not foolproof. Some limitations include: it cannot guarantee catching every instance of cheating. Your partner may use alternative dating apps. Obscure photos may go unrecognized by AI. Profiles may be inactive during the check. The price of detective work. Cheetah Buster AI pricing. This digital detective service isn't without its costs. To access search results, users must pay subscription fees. $17.99 for a single search. $29.99 for 2 searches, $34.99 for 3 searches. Accepted payment methods include PayPal, credit or debit cards. Pros and cons: navigating the digital detective landscape. Pros: swift results, user-friendly design, high accuracy levels. Cons: limited to Tinder, accuracy hinges on input quality. Subscription fee might be deemed high. Conclusion: Cheetah Buster stands as a technological sentinel, leveraging AI to unveil potential infidelity on Tinder. Following the outlined steps and providing essential details about your partner could unearth the truth. However, it's crucial to interpret Cheetah Buster's results alongside other observations before confronting your partner. Use this tool judiciously as it forms a part of a broader evaluation of your relationship. Well, that's all folks. Stay safe until the next video. In the meantime, and as always, leave a comment or two and letting us know what you think. Thank you for watching Meg Digital AI. Until next time, happy living. Visit megdigital.com.